An audio player with a touchscreen, a printer as small as your hand, interchangeable cases of earbuds to many other cool gadgets. Here are the coolest gadgets you can actually buy. 14. Hidiz AP80 Pro-X. The Hidiz AP80 Pro-X is a compact digital audio player, DAP, that offers impressive sound quality and portability. It features a dual ESS ES9219C DAC, MQA support, and balanced output, making it a great choice for audiophiles. The touchscreen interface is responsive and user-friendly, and it supports a wide range of audio formats. Although it lacks streaming service support and has limited output power, it remains a solid, budget-friendly option for high-quality audio on the go. 13. Gravity Sportswear. Gravity Sportswear by Omorpho is designed to enhance athletic performance through the concept of microload. These garments incorporate lightweight weights strategically placed to provide resistance without hindering movement. The result is improved strength, speed, and endurance. The materials are comfortable and durable, making them suitable for various workouts, including running, strength training, and HIIT. Users often report feeling faster and lighter when switching back to regular sportswear. 12. Colop E-mark. The Colop E-mark is a unique palm-sized inkjet printer designed for printing labels, barcodes, and rubber stamp-like artwork on various surfaces. It's compact, lightweight, and easy to use with a mobile app or PC software. The print quality is good, and running costs are low. However, it can be quirky and expensive. Despite its flaws, it's a versatile tool for home and small office use. 11. Bowio Booklight. The Bowio Booklight is a revolutionary reading light designed to provide ample illumination while being easy to use. Its touch-controlled brightness allows readers to customize the light to their preference without interrupting their reading. The light's uniform illumination ensures minimal glare and disturbance to others. Made from environmentally friendly materials, the Bowio Booklight is both sustainable and stylish. It's perfect for avid readers who want a tailored reading experience without disturbing their surroundings. 10. Gravastar Sirius P5 Earbuds. The Gravastar Sirius P5 earbuds are known for their customizable design and high-quality audio. These earbuds come with 3 interchangeable cases, each with a unique sci-fi-inspired look. They offer a lightweight design, reliable battery life, and solid audio performance for both music and gaming. With Bluetooth 5.2, IPX4 water resistance, and touch controls, the Sirius P5 earbuds provide a versatile and comfortable listening experience. Ideal for gamers and music lovers, these earbuds combine style and functionality. 9. Longten Dent Puller Kit. The Longten Dent Puller Kit is a comprehensive paintless dent removal tool designed for car enthusiasts. It includes 22 pieces, including an adjustable bridge dent puller, hot melt glue gun, and glue sticks. This kit is suitable for removing large and small dents, hail damage, and other minor imperfections without damaging the car's paint. The tools are easy to use and come with detailed instructions, making it a great choice for DIY dent repair. With practice, users can achieve professional-level results at home. 8. Donha Egg. The Donha Egg is a unique portable watch inspired by Peter Henlein's Nuremberg Egg. Made from CUS 316L plus PC materials, it features a minimalist design with a special reading second hand and a 3 ATM waterproof rating. The chain length is adjustable, and it can be worn as a necklace or carried in a pocket. Its elegant design and functionality make it a timeless gift. 7. Draft Top Lift. The Draft Top Lift is an innovative can opener designed to enhance your drinking experience. It safely removes the top of beverage cans, leaving a smooth edge and preventing sharp aluminum slivers. The updated design includes gripped spring-loaded handles for easy use and a portable size for on-the-go convenience. Perfect for parties, camping, or just enjoying a drink at home. 6. Olight Arkfeld Flashlight. The Olight Arkfeld flashlight is a versatile EDC tool with dual light sources, a 1000 lumen white LED, and a Bowio 39 Malvroller green laser. Its ultra-thin, flat design makes it easy to carry in your pocket, and it features a magnetic tail for hands-free use. With 5 brightness levels and a memory function, it's ideal for outdoor activities, emergencies, and presentations. 5. Gingko Smart Moon Lamp. The Gingko Smart Moon Lamp is a mesmerizing piece of decor that brings the moon's ethereal beauty indoors. This innovative lamp features a 3D printed moon that levitates above a wooden base, creating a magical floating effect. The moon slowly rotates, mimicking the moon's orbit, and offers 3 light modes: warm yellow, cool white, and warm white. Made from eco-friendly PLA material and reclaimed wood, it's both stylish and sustainable. Perfect for adding a touch of celestial charm to any room, this lamp is sure to impress guests and create a calming ambiance. 4. Zera S Shaver. The Zera S Shaver is a compact credit card-sized electric shaver designed for convenience and efficiency. Featuring ceramic blades that stay sharp for years, it provides a clean shave without the need for frequent replacements. The shaver is water-resistant, making it easy to clean, and has a powerful 8,000 RPM motor for a smooth shave. With a sleek, minimalistic design, it fits comfortably in your pocket and offers up to 90 days of standby time. Ideal for travel or daily use, the Zera S Shaver ensures you always look your best. 3. Pow Mo Speaker. The Pow Mo Speaker is a portable Bluetooth speaker that combines powerful sound with a collapsible design. Using Pow Audio's patented WaveBloom technology, it delivers crisp, high-quality audio with enhanced bass resonance. The speaker can be expanded for louder sound or collapsed for easy portability. It features a 10W output, 8-hour battery life, and a 100-foot wireless range. The magnetic design allows it to be attached to various surfaces, making it versatile for indoor and outdoor use. With its sleek, modern look and excellent sound quality, the Pow Mo speaker is perfect for music lovers on the go. 2. Anker Nebula Capsule 3. Smart Projector. The Anker Nebula Capsule 3. Smart Projector is a compact, portable projector that fits in your hand. Despite its small size, it delivers impressive 1080p resolution and supports 4K input. It's equipped with a built-in Android TV, allowing you to stream your favorite shows and movies directly. The projector also doubles as a Bluetooth speaker, providing robust audio for a complete entertainment experience. With a battery life of up to 3 hours, you can take it anywhere and enjoy movies under the stars. The Capsule 3 is perfect for movie nights, presentations, or simply relaxing with your favorite content. 1. Yeelight Curtain Lights. Yeelight curtain lights are designed to transform your indoor or outdoor spaces with dynamic lighting effects. These smart LED lights come pre-arranged, making installation a breeze. They offer over 190 preset lighting effects and patterns, allowing you to create a cozy, magical atmosphere. The lights can be controlled via the Yeelight app, voice commands with compatible smart assistants, or manual controls. With a warm white glow, they are perfect for adding ambiance to any room or event. The curtain lights are versatile, suitable for both holiday decorations and everyday use, making them a valuable addition to your home decor. That was all for today. Thanks a lot for watching this video.